Hey, hello, my royals. I am so glad to actually be here with you today to do something that I am known to do, which are product reviews. So, if you're not too familiar about my product review, I do all types of products reviews, hair product reviews, clothing product reviews, makeup product reviews, food reviews. I do a large, you might want to say, bracket of reviews. However, if you want to check out some of those reviews, I strongly encourage you to click either the link in bio or just go to YouTube and search for Diamond Images '03, and it's a YouTube channel that actually moi is on, and you pretty much can see everything. You can see everything from the traditional, I would say, queen cuisines, which are available. I love doing my queen cuisines. I will be doing some queen cuisines this afternoon. I got some good green recipes that I will be throwing into the mix. So I definitely encourage you maybe come back and check out some of my live. But this particular live is actually me doing a product review. I don't know how many of you are familiar with TikTok and all these sales that is going on. But one thing I will say is that I was a little bit apprehensive with purchasing anything from off of TikTok. The reason being is you don't know what you're going to get. You know, you might end up getting something that look completely different from the other. So this particular review is me doing a TikTok unboxing of an item that is pretty popular in, you might well say, most product lands. So, the product that I will be doing, that I am glad to be doing, because trust me, I enjoy doing all product reviews. I do all types of product reviews. It's not just me doing comedic TikToks and dances. I do real product reviews. And I really do believe that as consumers, we need to know what type of products that we are actually spending our money on. If it's good, is it worth it? I know me as a buyer, I can't stand getting an item and it completely do not fit the need that I need it to be. So I do real reviews. And this particular review that I'm getting ready to unbox is voila. Yes, it is a Stanley Cup. I purchased this on TikTok. Okay. If anyone is familiar with the Stanley Cups, you know that Stanley Cups are roughly anywhere between like $75 and up when it comes to prices. Now, I don't want to get banned for how much I paid for this, but I am going to say significantly under $30. Okay, and I'll leave it at that. If you want to know the actual price, just go ahead and DM me, and I give you the real price that I purchased for this. But this is actually my unboxing. I'm going to check this product out to see if it is actually, similar to the $100 ones. There's certain type of things that when you look for in a Stanley Cup that you want to make sure that it is authentic. And I'm going to unbox this TikTok purchase of a Stanley Cup to see whether or not it is actually worth the money. Um, I will say that I was pretty shocked to see that TikTok has expanded over the years into their shop. I see so many content creators that are really thriving off of purchasing some items, and also I'm getting it. And also, giving their reviews as well. So that's why I decided to do a real live review on this TikTok. Because like I said, I know when you see a lot of items on TikTok, you're like, okay, am I going to get this item? Is it going to look exactly like the photo? Is it going to be anywhere near, some of the other things that you have asked, So I'm going to check this one out. I'm excited. So as you see, I got a pink one, of course, but I'm going to see if it is actually real. So thank you for everyone that has tuned in and joined this live TikTok. So the unboxing, as you see, it comes with the actual Stanley since 1913 care and use, which is also good. I don't know too many dupes or designer inspired type items that comes with, the care, but this one comes with the care. So far, this Stanley TikTok purchase unboxing is going good. Okay, so here we go. Packaging. So here's a straw, the standard Stanley straw. Okay. Mm. So here's the reveal. Okay, and what else is in here? Got another Stanley straw. So that's two Stanley straws. Oh, and then it's cute. A little stopper that goes with these as well. So these little things are something that you actually would put on the straw to protect it, you know, sanitize. I mean, you see some people walk around with their straw just hanging all out. They don't realize what type of bacteria that is actually getting into it. So that's what this is. So here we go with the official revealer. The moment everyone's been waiting for. Okay. Wow. I'm impressed. Look at this, y'all. The logo is impeccable. Yes, it actually says Stanley. So it's not saying Stanley's or Stain or anything. It actually says Stanley. It has great packaging around, which is, but I know most of you is wondering, okay, girl, we have seen so many Stanley Cups. Which was special about this one? Well, we're going to start to see some of the specs that would make this particular Stanley Cup a good buy or not. Okay. Most people tell me if you want to make sure that you have a Stanley good official, you want to make sure that it has a nail underneath. Look at that. So that right there is a check number one. Most traditional fake Stanley Cups definitely do not have this right here, this little lock nut. This nut right here is a significant item to show, oh, this may be a pretty good purchase. Okay, the next thing is identifying is the top. Look, the Stanley logo is also on top as well. OMG. So, another thing that I noticed about a lot of Stanley Cups that may be not necessarily, you know, the right, more so like dupish, is knowing what's on the bottom of this. Okay, so if I flick this cup up to you and there's engravement on the bottom of this cup, that means that this right here is a good ass buy. May not bought it directly from Stanley, but I don't think Stanley will be able to know whether or not I bought this from Stanley. So here's the rum roll. OMG. Yes, indeed. Check that out. OMG. Check that out. Wow, y'all. Oh my God. TikTok, you have impressed me. Your items are not bogus. Your items are official. Like I said, this particular cup will at least run you about $100. They want nobody's Stanley Cups. They are going to run you. Okay. I did not pay nowhere near that. I may have paid less than 10% of that if you can get what I'm saying. This right here was an awesome buy. I have the official nut that is underneath, the logo, the packaging, the logo here, the logo underneath. Like this right here is official. This right here, you don't find that on too many Stanley Cups that are not authentic Stanley Cups. That right there is like huge. And the nut, that little nut bolt, that little screw, ain't nothing but a little screw. But that little screw is enough to be like, OMG, this is a good buy. So I'm going to have this already tagged to my page. I'm sorry I didn't already have tagged before, but I didn't know what I was going to be unboxing. I didn't want to unbox some BS stuff. And you'd be sitting there like, why in the world is Queen even having this up? But I am someone that is a little apprehensive when it comes to purchasing things from like sites such as TikTok, which is not known as being a traditional vendor. But I will say that this is my first purchase of an item from off of TikTok, and I'm amazed. This item literally 10% than what the traditional market value is, and it has all the specs. So I don't know if you want to call it fake. I don't know if you want to call it real. I don't know, but this particular cup, stainless steel, the logos, the nuts, this, they gave me 2 straws. I got my care. Like I said, everyone, you don't really necessarily know about TikTok because you don't know what you're going to get. But this particular buy right here is awesome. So that's the straw that would go inside of it. Also got these that I was telling you about. Okay, so these are so pretty. These are really, 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 really pretty. So these are considered like a straw cover. You put these on as such. Work it down, work the middle, work. And then you have it on top like this. Yeah. And it came with several of them. Look, different colors. Blues, reds, purple. Yeah. Now, these in particular, I probably would not be needing a whole rack of these. So you might can find these available on Queen store. I will have these available. Actually, these will only be about $1. So yeah, you can be able to get these and put on there. And this is a cute little one too. They also come very festive for the Christmas holiday, I should say, or winter. But I do like this one. This one is cute. It's very festive. Have the different colors that is in it. Nice little butterfly. But yes, this item, everyone, is a TikTok purchase. TikTok purchase item. I'm impressed. That really set the cake. TikTok, you really outdone yourself. The prices are phenomenal. I mean, like I said, I'm not too much into purchasing things on vendor sites that I'm not like familiar with because I don't know if I would traditionally receive the item that I'm actually purchasing. But this one was 5 stars across the board, thumbs up. I'm so thankful for this purchase. I cannot wait. I'm trying to think, okay, what do I want to put inside of this as my first drink? So I can be walking around, sipping, doing my Stanley Cup too. But yes, yeah, 48-ounce tumbler Stanley Cup. I got this in the salmon pink, if you know what I mean. And yeah, so definitely want to tune back in because I will be conducting my Queen Cuisine. The menu is by far spread. I'm going to do some roasted rotisserie chicken with some traditional soul food collard greens. And you might want to check out my collard greens recipe because it definitely got some, little extra little something, something you might want to utilize yourself for this upcoming Thanksgiving holiday and Christmas holiday. Also, going to be doing some white potatoes to go along with it. Don't forget my honey butter cornbread to top it off. So yeah, you might want to come back a little bit later when I start getting my prepping and getting everything together. So stay tuned. Follow me if you've not already followed me, so you can stay tuned to when I will be doing my new live that will be the Queen Cuisine. But if you're interested in some of my Queen Cuisine meals that I have already prepared, some of the recipes are already available. Please click the link in the bio for Diamond Images YouTube, Queen Cuisine, or you can just go to YouTube, search Diamond Images '03, and you will find Queen Cuisine. Yes, Queen Cuisine is a wonderful platform that I have been able to wonderfully create that allows you to see meals I have prepared in less than 30 minutes that you can be able to do too. Quick meals that you can be able to find things already in your traditional pantry or seasoning closet and be able to utilize them to make some good meals to nourish yourself and your family and friends. So, thank you for tuning in to this live of this TikTok unboxing. I am ecstatic. Like I said, I cannot wait to use this cup. I did not expect to have such a wonderful item to be received. Like I said, when sometimes you purchase from off of these vendor sites, you don't know what you get. You order one thing, you get something else. But in this particular case, I actually got more than what I thought that I was buying. The price that I paid and what I actually received tops the mark. So thank you for tuning in, everyone. And make sure you come back later for Queen Cuisine available for you.